Welcome to Bully Investigations. Please like and subscribe. Alright, now we are looking into the Michael Vaughan case. This is Sarah Wandra in court. Please do me a favor and take a look at her and her body language while she's there and tell me what you think.
Case of Sarah Wandra.
Also, I'm going to speed it up.
Are you Sarah Wandra? Ma'am, can you hear me? I need you to move in a little closer to the mic. I'm unable to hear you.
No, I'm Stacy Wandra.
Okay. You're Stacy Wandra?
I'm Sarah Wandra, sorry.
You're Sarah Wandra. Okay, thank you. Ms. Wandra, in this case, which is CR 38221769, you are charged with having violated the law in one count. It is alleged that you did, on or about the 12th day of November of this year, here in the state of Idaho, fail to notify the coroner of a death, the death of Michael Vaughan, with the intent to prevent the discovery of the manner of death. That is a felony.
See how she just shook her head? Watch how she answers this.
Here in the state of Idaho, do you understand the allegation that's been made against you?
I understand what they said. It's not correct.
All right. You have a number of rights when you are charged.
The way she blinks her head and shakes her head, or blinks her eyes and shakes her head, sorry, that just almost tells me that she lied.
For the crime, the deputies typically hand out a document that describes those rights in detail. Did you receive a document like that?
They're giving me documents right now.
All right. So in a criminal case, ma'am, you have the right to remain silent as it relates to the underlying charges. You have the right to require the state to prove the charges beyond a reasonable doubt, the right to cross-examine and confront the evidence the state may put on in an effort to prove its case, the right to testify in your own defense if you wish to, the right to use subpoenas to bring witnesses and evidence to the trial as you may determine to be appropriate, and the right to be represented by an attorney at all stages of these proceedings. Do you understand that you have those rights?
I have those rights, but I don't have anything to speak on good if I can help.
All right, well, so I'm going to remind you you have the right to remain silent. I'm not going to say anything to you or ask you any questions that are designed to get you to speak about or encourage you to speak about the underlying events. Everyone who gives up that right and does speak about the case or make any statement at all about it, of course, those can be used against you, so I'll remind you of that. As it relates to your right to an attorney, do you intend to ask me to appoint an attorney at public expense? Do you intend to hire your own counsel or represent yourself in this case?
Represent myself? No, you're an attorney.
Okay. Do you want me to appoint an attorney to help you?
The way she says she'll represent herself, but then she'll get an attorney. A lot of people that are guilty will say that. Just, that's my opinion.
Extent?
I point one.
All right, let me have you raise your right hand and be sworn so I can ask you some questions to be sure you qualify. You solemnly swear the testimony that you're about to give me will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, thank you. Ms. Wandra, what is your current physical address?
1102 Broken Street, Brooklyn, Idaho, 829.
Current telephone number? No, scratch that. I'm not asking about that right now. Who's your current employer?
I am by myself. Self-employed. Taxi driver.
And what is your typical income a week?
I wouldn't be able to tell you because I don't know the exact amount. I haven't been doing any taxi rides lately.
More or less than $500 a week?
Probably more than 500. I haven't been doing it.
So are you working at all right now?
Well, obviously not if I'm in jail, but I only work day to day.
Right, so I'm trying to get an idea of what your typical income is. Obviously, when a person's in custody, they can't generate income.
I don't know our exact income.
All right. Do you own any land or buildings anywhere?
I don't own land or buildings.
How much money do you have in the bank or cash on hand?
I think I have some change in my purse.
Do you own any personal property worth more than $1,000?
I gave everything to the most I got, but I am partially card, but I also don't own the whole thing.
Meaning you owe money against it to someone?
No, I have owned it with my dad.
I see. All right, you find you qualify for the appointment of attorney. I'm going to appoint in this case Ms. Jolene Maloney. I did review an affidavit of probable cause in this case and legal for purposes of disappearance find probable cause. What's the state's position, if any, on Vaughan?
Your Honor, the state is asking for a relatively high bond. Obviously, there are implications associated with this charge. And this is the young boy that we're talking about has been missing for a year and a half. And so, it should be noted that Ms. Wandra is on pre-trial release for federal gun charges for felon in possession of a firearm. And so, and while that would have happened after Michael Money initially disappeared, I think it shows that she's a danger to the community, and she fails to abide by the social norms that we all expect. And there are obviously very serious implications in her being aware of his whereabouts this whole time. So the state's asking for $1 million bond.
certain facts which may create issues with probable cause. I recognize that the court may have some concern regarding release. At this time, however, I would ask the court consider any electronic monitoring in lieu or in conjunction with a lower bond, less than $1 million. $1 million.
All right, in this case, the court, as it does in all cases, of course, takes into account Idaho Criminal 46 and the factors set forth there, specifically problematic as it relates to a release, the conditions, or on Ms. Wander's own recognizance or her criminal history, which the court would provide as part of the probable cause affidavit, the possibility of violations of law, where she would be released, and the inability to necessarily manage those effectively with restrictions on her release. The nature of her criminal history certainly would bring her character and reputation into question or disrepute. Unfortunately, taking those factors into account, the court will set bond in this case in the amount of $500,000. Should that bond be posted, Ms. Wandra must immediately sign up for pretrial release services to be monitored. She must be fitted with a GPS tracking device prior to her release from custody. She must not commit crimes pending the resolution of this case. She must not leave the state of Idaho. She must remain sober. Maintain contact with her attorney, attend all her court hearings, sign a waiver of extradition, and sign up for pretrial release before leaving. Otherwise, the Fayette County Courthouse complex. I'm going to set this for a status conference and review hearing on the 21st and 22nd of November. The status conference will be at 10 a.m. on the 21st, and the preliminary hearing at 9 a.m. on the 22nd.
Your Honor, prior to the court recessing, may we take up a procedural issue?
Yes, I did receive, in this case, a motion, so I wasn't even filed yet. My court just handed to me a motion to seal at least the affidavit of probable cause, as I understand. Is that right, Mr. Duke?
That's correct, Your Honor.
Does the defense object to taking it up now?
No, Your Honor.
All right, and Mr. Duke?
Your Honor, the state's requesting that the probable cause affidavit be sealed. Obviously, this is a high-profile case, and there are privacy concerns as well as jury trial concerns should the details within the PC affidavit be released. And in addition to those articulated in the motion, there is still an ongoing investigation, so we worry about the impact that releasing certain details of the PC affidavit would have on the investigation. So we respectfully request that the court seal the PC affidavit, at least temporarily, until we can have more time to flesh out those matters.
Okay. Thank you for joining today's videos. Please like and subscribe. Bully Investigations. I'm all about the truth and getting the truth out there and nothing but the truth. No negativity, no nothing like that. Please join, like, and subscribe. Thank you.